Hello everyone, today we make together ghee butter bread. Is wonderful bread, really tasty. Let's go. The recipe very easy: 350 gram flour, 30 gram sugar, 5 gram salt, 1 whole egg, 170 gram fresh milk, 5 gram yeast, and 30 gram of ghee butter, and 1 orange zest. We mix all ingredients together except the ghee butter. It's a very easy recipe and you will love it. Sugar, and then we mix all together. You put in KitchenAid. When the dough mix, I added 1 orange zest. It's give a really taste and nice aroma and flavor. When the dough complete, you added 30 gram ghee butter, step by step, little by little. When absorbing, we added another piece. Same process you make brioche. When the dough is complete, you find it becomes more white. You remove the hook and you cover it for 10-15 minutes just to rest. After 15 minutes, we take the dough. We need the dough like you make burger, just become soft. You see, the very easy and very soft. We roll it like big burger. And then you cover again to rest for more 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you cut into pieces. Each dough almost 250 gram. You dust with the flour. With rolling pin, you roll it square shape. Then you brush with ghee butter again, as much as needed. You just cover it like 2 millimeters with ghee butter. We keep it out of the fridge 2-3 hours to be really soft, so it can be easy painted. You brush it, hold the dough, cover it very well, all the surface. Then you roll it. Make sure that you roll very small, very tight, so no air inside. And then you stretch it to be full cover. You make the same process for 2 dough. You have toast mold or square mold is much better, and you paint it very well with ghee butter, so it's very rich dough and very tasty. We make sure that it have the whole size. Then we cut not to the end, just 1 millimeter less to the end with sharp knife to fit into the mold. You can do it in any shape you like, but that shape is really nice, like toast bread. We put the 2 dough together, Same process. We bent with ghee butter. Make sure that is fluffy. You don't squeeze the dough, and you cover it almost 45 minutes to 1 hour until to raise. Then we bake it 180, almost 17 to 20 minutes. Then you have amazing bread. You can eat it with honey and really wonderful breakfast. Please subscribe my channel, put your comment, make like and share it. Please. Thank you for being in my YouTube channel.